Buy right now. If you are watching and listening to what Jerome Powell is saying at the Jackson Hole Symposium, my friends, you're going to make sure that you have taken a position, because what I'm about to show you is just a very quick update for you right here, right now. Boom, that the markets are pumping. We're starting to turn. We're bottoming out. Our indicators are telling us where to go. I'm all in on everything that I've been talking about on this channel for the last couple weeks and months. Make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Bliss community, and thank you for being here with me once again. I truly appreciate it, and let's delve right in. So first of all, let's tackle Ethereum. Boom, look at that, right? Bam, one candle absolutely engulfs pretty much this entire down pressured zone. We expected certain things like this to happen. Now, my friends, this is just the start. So with that being said, I'd like to take you down the rabbit hole, starting off with what just happened. Just in, Fed Chair Jerome Powell suggests that current conditions may warrant interest rate cuts. He's not saying that it will. He's gaslighting the situation, but it excites us, and the pumps are starting to roll in. So shout out to you, Mr. JP over here. I want to show you where my trades are, because right now, as we move down this list, you can see here that we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking, 3 news on today. We have then Trump speaking later on at 6 o'clock. So prepare for absolute volatility in the markets right now. Everything else we will see over the course of the next few days while the crypto markets are open and all other markets are closed. We may see some crazy pumps in crypto, and perhaps then a dump on Monday to catch up on the gaps, and boom, then pump through. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Let's go and have a look at my trades. Well, actually, before we go into the trades, right, look at where Bitcoin is here. Look at this candle. Absolute double bottom. Look at what I had said to you. If you have been watching my content, okay, I have been speaking to you about that over and over and over again, about how we're going to double bottom out here, and we're pretty much doing that. This is a massive catalyst right here, as you can see, setting us up for the next move up according to the M2, plus according to all other moving averages. As you can see right here, we can close, if we can close today, tomorrow's candle above the top of the EMA, my friends, we're going long. And according to this UT bots, we have not yet had a buy signal, but it's coming, my friend. Ethereum has had this beautiful opportunity pump in right here for us right now. Have a look at that. In fact, Ethereum, which is currently outperforming pretty much everything, you can see here that in the ETH dominance chart, we were pretty much told ETH is making the next move by ETH 2-3 days ago already, and that's what's busy happening. Now dominance continues to fall. That's exactly what we're looking for. Total is starting to find some momentum, higher lows and higher highs forming here. Same structure as Bitcoin, busy forming to the upside. Look at how clean and perfect this is on Bitcoin. Boom, breakout, retest, fake out, catch the liquidity, pull back, find support, next moves up. Look at this move here on the M2, what's about to come through, my friends. Are you prepared for what we're about to see? Well, just like I shared with you yesterday, I have taken some profits. It's always good to take profits, my friend. I took out my initial capital on the investment that I'd made, which was pretty much down here somewhere. Okay, I took out my initial capital on this. I invested at about $3.8 million on this market cap. Okay, we're pumping here. We're about to break through on this next bullish flag. And my friends, look at the length of that bull flag. We're coming up to a $28 million market cap on Bitty Sol, without a doubt, especially with the horses and the interest rate potentials coming in. With total 3, excluding BTC, ETH, and stablecoins, we're looking like we're getting ready to make the next move. The same thing here with total 3 crypto cap. Same thing, my friends. I don't know about you, but when I look at these trades here right now, okay, This is a clear breakout. Let's go and have a look at a couple others so that you can see where we're at. Okay, PayPay, and yeah, let's pull. You can see I'm in the negative on some of them. Okay, let's go and have a look at PayPay. I want to just share with you just a couple at this point. Look at PayPay. Boom! What a level on PayPay to come back into. A rise back up on the Bollinger Band. This candle, of course, is a massive liquidity grab. Okay, so if you know how to trade, you'll know how to look out for these things and just like position yourself. The same thing on Algorand here. Look at that candle, my friends. Look at that candle. I haven't bought any Algorand recently, but I certainly did over the last couple of days. There is a level of resistance, so I do expect us to possibly push through here, push to the top, pull back, and then make the next move up. Who knows? But these are all absolute massive breakouts. Cardano, my friends. Look at the Cardano charts here. Absolutely delicious, right? Wow. Okay, I mean, we could pull back down here. I mean, that's okay, but look at where we're breaking out here. And if you've been in the Cardano trade with me, you would have been in down here already. And honestly, today would have been a good place to add to that position. I haven't done so, but this is certainly breaking out of this downsloping trend line. Have a look at this. It's busy retesting that zone right there right now. Have a look at that, right? Boom, breakout, retest, bam, up. And look at how on the daily the Bollinger Bands are starting to open up. I believe we're coming up to $1.50 on Cardano. Solana traders up. I'll take you through one or two more, my friends. But you can see here, all the trades. I have 22 positions that are open. And all of these trades we have been, as I say, been getting into over the last couple days and weeks, positioning ourselves for massive moves to the upside. Solana is waiting to make a move to break that all-time high. Dogecoin, my friends, is undoubtedly making a move. AVAX looking so juicy and delicious. Look at AVAX, my friends. AVAX, I think we're incoming up to the 37 to $40 first, and then up to the $50 level. Well, I would even say possibly up to there, but probably a pit stop here at $35, my friend. That's the next level for AVAX. So my link chain is doing delicious, and look at how far we are here, right? We just continue to go. And I mean, honestly, we still have miles and miles and miles and miles and miles of room ahead of us to grow on the price of Chainlink into price discovery, right? A couple $100 is what I would say. So some of my trades are still in the red, but some of them have recovered. And yeah, we just continue to allow them to breathing space to grow. And my friends, together on this channel, if you are subscribed to the Crypto Bliss community, my friends, you and I are going to make some money together this cycle. So make sure to subscribe for alt season. Meme season is hitting it hard, just like I've been sharing with you. Make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Bliss. We'll see you on the next one.